What if I told you a powerful tool for your oral health is already in your kitchen? It's called oil pulling. This ancient practice, rooted in Ayurveda, is making a comeback for a reason. Oil pulling involves swishing oil in your mouth to draw out toxins and improve oral health. It's simple, affordable, and requires only a spoonful of oil and a few minutes of your time. People everywhere are seeing real results. Brighter smiles, fresher breath, and healthier gums. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just a natural way to boost your daily routine. Think of it as a small experiment for your health, connecting you to a tradition that's thousands of years old. We'll explore what oil pulling is, how it works, and the benefits you might experience. This isn't about replacing your dentist, but enhancing your daily care. Ready to discover this ancient secret? Let's dive in and see how oil pulling can transform your smile. Stay tuned. So, what exactly is oil pulling? It's a simple oral detox. Swish a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for 15-20 minutes, then spit it out. The oil acts like a magnet, pulling bacteria and toxins from your teeth, gums, and tongue. Most oral bacteria have fatty membranes, and oil binds to them, removing them as you swish. Coconut oil is the most popular choice today, thanks to its antimicrobial lauric acid. As you swish, the oil turns milky, proof it's working. Always spit the oil into the trash, not the sink, to avoid clogs. This simple act removes harmful bacteria before they cause cavities or bad breath. That's oil pulling in a nutshell. Let's talk benefits. Oil pulling reduces plaque, lowering your risk of cavities and gum disease. Many people notice smoother, cleaner teeth, like a mini dental cleaning at home. It gently lifts surface stains, revealing a naturally brighter smile without harsh chemicals. Bad breath? Oil pulling targets odor-causing bacteria, leaving your mouth fresher for longer. It also soothes inflamed gums and can help with early gum disease. Studies show oil pulling can be as effective as some prescription mouthwashes for oral health. Healthier gums, whiter teeth, fresher breath, all from a simple daily ritual. That's the power of oil pulling. Let's see how to do it right. Ready to try oil pulling? Here's how. Do it first thing in the morning, before eating or drinking. Take a tablespoon of organic coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil. If a tablespoon feels like too much, start with a teaspoon. Swish the oil gently around your mouth for 15-20 minutes. No need to rush or strain your jaw. Make sure the oil reaches all areas, including between teeth and under the tongue. When time's up, spit the oil into the trash. Rinse your mouth with warm salt water to remove any residue. Then brush and floss as usual. That's it. Simple, natural, and effective. Now let's avoid some common mistakes. Avoid these pitfalls for the best results. Don't swish too hard. Gentle is best to prevent jaw fatigue. Never swallow the oil. It's full of toxins and bacteria. If you need to, start with less oil and work up to a tablespoon. Always use high-quality organic oil. Skip the processed stuff. Remember, oil pulling is a supplement, not a replacement for brushing and flossing. Brush and floss after oil pulling to keep your mouth truly clean. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit. Think of oil pulling as an extra boost, not your only defense. Now let's wrap up with why this ritual matters. Oil pulling is a simple, affordable way to upgrade your oral health. It's rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern research showing real benefits. Cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums are just the beginning. The key is consistency. Commit to 2 weeks and see the difference. Make it part of your morning routine, and it'll soon feel effortless. Small changes add up, and this one could transform your smile and your health. Give oil pulling a try and notice how you feel. Share your experience and inspire others to join you. Sometimes the simplest rituals have the biggest impact. Start tomorrow and take a step toward a healthier you. Thanks for watching. Here's to your brightest smile yet.